Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Yotta detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Yotta app on your device. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your existing account if you have one. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. Begin by setting up your monthly income. Enter all sources of income accurately. Next, list your fixed expenses like rent and utilities. Include variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Review any irregular expenses that may arise. Add each category to your budget. After inputting all expenses, check to ensure accuracy. Adjust any figures that seem off or unrealistic. Once you have a complete picture, evaluate your total income against total expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back if expenses exceed income. Set savings goals for future financial stability. Use Yotta's tools to create challenges and incentives for saving. Review your budget regularly to stay on track. Make adjustments as necessary based on changing financial circumstances. Utilize Yotta's insights to understand spending patterns. Enroll in any educational resources offered by Yotta for better budgeting skills. Celebrate your budgeting milestones and progress along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.